Hello students, today we will start this part 3. Here first question is prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. This we have to prove, and it is a very simple. Here pi by this whole square sin square pi by 6 you can write in this form that 2 bracket sin pi by 6 whole square plus cosec 7 pi by 6 whole square cos pi by 3 whole square. In this pi by 6 means we have 30 degree. So sin 30 is 1 upon 2. You can write here. Look at cosec 7 pi by 6. You can check here numerator is 1 more the denominator. So you can write in form of pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6 is 7 pi by 6. Okay. Pi plus means more than pi. More than pi means it is in third quadrant. Okay. Third quadrant. Look here on pi we will not do any change. Okay. First thing is that, and in third quadrant cosec is negative. So cosec pi plus pi by 6 we will get here minus cosec pi by 6 we will get. Okay. Now cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is cos 60 degree we have, and cos 60 is again we have 1 upon 2. So look here, we put all this value. After that 1 upon 2 whole square will be 1 upon 4. So we will get 2 into 1 upon 4 and plus this already I explained you that cosec pi plus pi by 6 will be minus cosec pi by 6. So you have a bracket minus cosec pi by 6 whole square. 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4. Now this 2 and 4 you can cancel. You get here 2. So you get 1 upon 2. Now cosec pi by 6 means cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree is what is 2 we have. So before we have minus, so minus 2 square. And 1 upon 4 as it is we have. Now minus 2 square is what is 4 we have. First part is as it is 1 upon 2 plus 4 into 1 upon 4. 4 and 4 you can cancel. You can get 1. So 1 upon 2 plus 1, that will be 3 by 2. So it is a very simple question. You have to understand only. Look here, same as it is we have question number 3. This is also very important. Look here, cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 equal to 6. This we have to prove that this is equal to 6. Now first we can write here that cot pi by 6 whole square plus the second cosec 5 pi by 6. Look here, this numerator is 1 less than denominator. Okay, so you can write here pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. So this will be cosec pi minus pi by 6 plus 3 and 10 square pi by 6 you can write 10 pi by 6 whole square. Okay. Now pi by 6 means 30 degree. Pi by 6 is 30 degree and cot 30 is what is root 3 and cosec pi minus pi means minus means less than pi. Less than pi means in a second quadrant, and second quadrant cosec is positive. And on pi we not to do change, means we have here cosec pi by 6 we will have, and 10 pi by 6 means 10 30 degree you have to write. 10 30 is what is 1 upon root 3. So we get 3 bracket 1 upon 3 whole square. Cosec pi by 6 will be equal to means cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 is 2 we will have. So all this value we will get this root 3 square is 3. Cosec pi by 6 is 2 and plus 3 bracket 1 upon 3 3, and this 3 you can cancel by 1. So you will get here 3 plus 2 plus 1, and that is equal to 6 you get. So it's a very simple question. Look here, all of you, you have to find the value of sin 75. Look here, sin 75 you have to find. Look at 75, what we can write? 75 we can write 45 plus 30. 75 we can write 45 plus, we have standard angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These standard value we know already, and this value we have to put here. Look here, we have this formula that sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sine b. Look at, if place of A I write 45 and place of B I write 30, we get sine 45 plus 30, and that will be equal to sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 and sine 30. Now 45 plus 30 will be 75. So 10, sorry, here is a sine, this is sine, sine 45. Sine 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 and sine 30 is 1 upon 2. So you will take LCM, you get root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. LCM is the 2 root 2. This will be root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 you will get. So you get this answer sine 75. This is the sine 75 you will get. All of you understand this? Same as it is, we have to find the value of 10, 15, and 10, 15, what we can write? 15 we can write 45 minus 30. Now we know already this formula 10 a minus b is what is 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b. So place of a you put 45, place of b we put 30. So we will get here 10 45 minus 10 30 upon 1 plus 10 45 and into 10 30. 10 45 is what is 1 and 10 30 is 1 upon root 3. So you will put all this value, and here in left hand side we have 10 45 minus 30 will be 10 15. Now you take LCM. LCM is root 3. In numerator and denominator both side you take LCM. So root 3 LCM, and you will get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Root 3 you can cancel. Okay, so remaining portion is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So 10 15 we will get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Look here, we have to prove that cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y equal to sin x plus y. This we have to prove. Look here, this formula we can check now, this cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This formula we know already. Okay, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to what we have, cos a plus b. Now place of a we will put pi minus, place of a we will put pi by 4 minus x, and place of b we will put pi by 4 minus y. So what we get, look here, cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y. This left hand side we get. Okay, and in the formula the right hand side what we have, cos a plus b, and cos a plus b, here a equal to, we put pi by 4 minus x and b equal to pi by 4 minus y. We will get here cos pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Okay, pi by 4 means here 45 degree. 45 plus 45 what we have, 90 degree. 90 degree means pi by 2 you can write, and minus x and minus y you can take minus common. So minus x plus y you get. Look here, cos pi by 2 minus theta means it is in first quadrant, and on pi by 2 first quadrant means all are positive, and on pi by 2 we have to do change. So this will be sin x plus y we will get. So this we get this right hand side. It is very simple. Look here, same as it is, one more question, that cos n plus 1 x cos n plus 2 x plus sin n plus 1 x sin n plus 2 x equal to cos x. This we have to prove. So here also we can use the same formula, that cos a cos b plus sin a sin b equal to cos a minus b. Place of a we will put n plus 1 x. Place of b we will put n plus 2 x. Look here, if we put this value, what we get, cos n plus 1 x cos n plus 2 x plus sin n plus 1 x into sin n plus 2 x we will get, and that is equal to cos a minus b. Cos a minus b means a is this and b is this. So what we get, cos you open this bracket, nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. Nx and nx is cancelled. X minus 2x is what we get, cos minus x, and cos minus x means this fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos is positive, so we will get plus cos x we get. So hope you understand this. This is very simple. Okay, all of you, you have to prove that 10 pi by 4 plus x upon 10 pi by 4 minus x equal to 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x whole square. This we have to prove. For that we know these two formulae. 10a plus b equal to 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b, and 10a minus b equal to 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b. This formula we should know. And look here, place of a you put pi by 4 and place of b you put x. You will get this value, that 10 pi by 4 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10 pi by 4 and 10x. And similarly for 10a minus b, here place of a you put pi by 4 and place of b we will put x. We will get this formula, that 10 pi by 4 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10 pi by 4 10x. Look at 10 pi by 4 is what is 1, and so you can write this 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x, and here will be also 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x. Now this you will take above, means you have to do reciprocal. So 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x into 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x. You will do the multiplication, so means whole square you will get. Now this 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x whole square, you get that only the right hand side. So this is our answer. Look here, we have to prove that cos pi plus x cos minus x upon sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x equal to cot square x. Look here, for this we have to find out this value of all these. So first we check cos pi plus x. Pi plus means third quadrant, and third quadrant the cos is negative, okay, and on pi we not to do change, so we get minus cos x. Next is cos minus x. Cos minus x is fourth quadrant, and fourth quadrant cos is positive and no change, means we have cos x. Sin pi minus x. Pi minus means second quadrant. Second quadrant sin is positive and on pi no change, means we have sin x. And cos pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x means second quadrant, and on pi by 2 we have to do change, means cos in the second quadrant is negative and change, means minus sin x we get. We get these all values we will put here. We will get here minus cos x upon sin x and bracket minus sin x. So look here, when you multiply numerator we get minus cos x minus cos square x, and in denominator we get minus sin square x. Minus minus become plus, and we get here cot square x. So this is only the right hand side. This is a very simple question we get. Okay, next question is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi by cos 2 pi plus x bracket cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x equal to 1. This we have to prove. Here this is also we have to prove. Look here, we will find the value of this cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. 3 pi by 2 plus means fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive, and on 3 pi by 2 we have to do change, so we get sin x. And cos 2 pi plus x means first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive, and on 2 pi no change, means we get cos x. And cot 3 pi by 2 minus x means it is a third quadrant. And third quadrant cot is positive and we have to do change, means we get 10x. These all value we will put in question. So we get sin x into cos x bracket 10x plus cot x. Now 10x we can write sin x cos x as it is. 10x we can write sin x upon cos x, and cot x we can write cos x upon sin x. You take LCM. Sin x into cos x, you take LCM. Sin x cos x is LCM. Sin square x plus cos square x in numerator. Look at this, sin x cos x will cancel, and sin square x plus cos square is equal to 1. So we get this right hand side is 1. Look here, we have to show that tan 3x tan 2x into tan x equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So how we can prove? Look here, tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, place of a we will put 2x and place of b we put x. So what we get? Look here, tan 2x plus x equal to tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x tan x we get. Now tan 2x plus x will be tan 3x. And look here, we do cross product. Cross product will be tan 3x into, you have to do 1 minus tan 2x into tan x equal to tan 2x plus tan x we get. Now open the bracket, you get tan 3x minus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Now you check what we have to prove. So in this look here, tan 3x, tan 2x and tan x are in left hand side. So these you will transfer to the right hand side, okay, and these you have to transfer to left hand side. So you get here tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x equal to tan 3x, tan 2x and tan x. You can change the side, you will get your answer. This is the total part we prove here. Look here, same as it is, we have to prove cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x equal to 1. Here we will use this formula that cot a plus b equal to cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot a plus cot b, and here you will put a equal to 2x and b equal to x. We will get cot 2x plus x equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1 upon cot 2x plus cot x. Now place this, we will get cot 3x, and right hand side we get as it is cot 2x cot x minus 1 upon cot 2x plus cot x. Now you will do cross product. Cross product will be this cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot x equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Now you transfer this 1 in left hand side, you get 1 plus cot 3x and you open this bracket, you get cot 3x cot 2x plus cot 3x into cot x equal to cot 2x into cot x. Now these terms you will have, you transfer in the right hand side, you get 1 equal to cot 2x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot x. So you can check the question, this total part we will get here. So hope you understand this. This is a very simple question, and do practice